In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share passwords securely using 1Password. This process is straightforward, but ensuring you do it correctly is crucial to maintaining security and control over your sensitive information. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by heading over to your 1Password dashboard. Open your web browser and simply navigate to the 1Password website. Once you're there, log in using your credentials to access your personal dashboard where all your stored information is neatly organized and waiting for you. Once you're logged in, look for the View Vault Items option. Clicking this will unveil the array of items that you have securely tucked away in 1Password. This interface is user-friendly and allows you to see everything at a glance, making it easier to find whatever you intend to share. Next, you need to click on Vaults. This action will help you get an organized view of all your vaults. A vault in 1Password is essentially a folder where you keep a specific group of passwords, which can be particularly useful if you want to keep your work and personal passwords separate, for example. Now, choose from the list of vaults. This is where organizing your information in advance can really pay off. Selecting the right vault ensures you're only looking through the relevant items, saving time and avoiding the clutter of unnecessary details. With the vault open, the next step involves choosing exactly what you want to share. Be it a specific login or a note, selecting it is as easy as clicking. This step might seem simple, but it's crucial to double check here to ensure you're sharing the intended information and nothing more, preserving privacy and security. Once you've selected the item, look for the Share option. Clicking on this will open the share settings for that particular item. Here, 1Password makes it flexible for you to define how and with whom you want to share your passwords. An important aspect of sharing securely is determining when the link should expire. You have the option to choose a suitable expiration period for the link, thereby controlling the overall accessibility of the information. It adds an additional layer of security, ensuring that even if a link is shared more broadly than intended, it won't be indefinitely accessible. Furthermore, you can decide on who the link is available to. You can choose to make it available to anyone with the link or restrict it to specific individuals. This level of control is vital in protecting sensitive data from unauthorized access. Finally, you will be ready to copy the link. Simply click on Copy Link, and it's ready to be shared through your preferred communication channel, such as email or a secure messaging app. And there you have it, a complete process of sharing passwords the secure way through 1Password. Remember, sharing responsibly is key to protecting your online information. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.